How AI can help in archaeology. What is archaeology? Archaeology is a profession where people work with ancient materials and historical places. Professionals in this field perform various types of excavation works, analyze artifacts found during the groundworks and in historical residential areas, and try reconstituting ancestors' culture and life during different epochs. Archaeology includes diverse fields of study. The most common types include environmental archaeologists, classical archaeologists, underwater archaeologists, ethno-archaeologists, and historical archaeologists. The utilization of AI. The neural network, by analyzing images, might not only direct archaeologists in their groundworks, but also suggest territories that have similar patterns as potential objects for excavations. Archaeologists also use laser radar for building three-dimensional landscape images. The most recent improvements. More archaeologists have started implementing 3D documentation in their work, even though this area of AI usage still has some inconveniences. Archaeologists also started implementing artificial intelligence for reconstructing missing texts on ancient artifacts. This new AI tool helps scientists define the timeframe and origin of the examined cultural property. What to expect next? Scientists rest their hopes upon the usage of artificial intelligence for the detection of artifact movement. The problem that is the dark web or selling cultural property on the internet is one of the most urgent for archaeologists. 3D modeling is a meaningful part of archaeology. Currently, professionals do it manually. Recently, however, researchers have concentrated on methods involving visual programming languages and artificial intelligence to model diverse historical objects. Thank you for watching.